In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery on WordPress, and the best part is we're going to do it without using any plugins. This is a fantastic way to keep your site sleek, fast, and error-free while still showcasing beautiful images. So, let's dive right in and create a stunning gallery using WordPress's built-in features. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. From there, you'll want to navigate to the page or post where you'd like your image gallery to appear. If you're creating a new page, just head over to Pages on the left sidebar, and click on Add New. Likewise, for a post, you can go to Posts and select Add New. Once you're in the editor, look for the plus sign button, which lets you add a new block. Click that button, and in the search box, type Gallery. You should see the gallery option pop up, which you'll want to select. This will create a new gallery block for you. Now it's time for the fun part, adding your images. You can either upload new images from your computer, or if you've already uploaded the images you want to use to your media library, go ahead and select them. When selecting your images, hold down the Ctrl or Command key to choose multiple files. Once all your images are selected, click the Create a New Gallery button in the lower corner of the media page. After your gallery is created, WordPress gives you the option to rearrange images as you see fit. You can click and drag each image to reorder them, which is particularly handy if you want to highlight some images over others. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try, as you can adjust this even after the gallery has been added to your page or post. Another feature you'll notice on this page is the option to edit captions for each image if you desire. Simply click on each photo's caption area to add some context or a fun note. Adding captions can be very beneficial for both user engagement and SEO, so consider using them wisely. With everything set, the final step is to click on the Insert Gallery button. This places your new gallery into the page or post you're editing. To preview how it looks, hit the Preview button before publishing. This ensures that everything is up to your standards. If it needs any tweaks, you can go back to the Gallery block editor and make those changes. Once satisfied with your gallery, go ahead and click Publish or Update in the upper right corner, depending on whether you're working on a new page or an existing one. And there you have it, creating an image gallery on WordPress without the need for plugins is that simple. Play around with different layouts and image arrangements to see what works best for your content. Thanks for watching.